For a second there, I thought that it was going to be the reset. They have nowhere to go. You can't back into traffic. And there it is. Jake gets the Mitsu green. The player advantage right now coming right back.
Welcome, boys and girls, to High Five. In this segment, we cover all sorts of history with video games, video game companies, and their impact on the video game industry. Today, we're talking about Blizzard Entertainment. Blizzard Entertainment was founded by Michael Morhaime, Alan Adham, and Frank Pierce as Silicon and Synapse in February 8, 1991. The name Silicon and Synapse was a high concept from the three founders, with silicon representing the building blocks of a computer, while synapse the building blocks of the brain. During the first 2 years, the company focused on creating game ports for other studios. Ports included titles such as J.R.R. Tolkien's The Lord of the Rings, Volume 1, and Battle Chess II, Chinese Chess. In 1993, they decided to make their own games, such as Rockin' and Rollin' Racin' and The Lost Vikings. Around 1993, co-founder Adham told the other executives that he did not like the name Silicon and Synapse anymore, as people outside the company were confusing the meaning of silicon, the chemical element used in microchips, with silicone, the material used in breast implants. By the end of 1993, Adham changed the name to Chaos Studios, reflecting the hyper-hazardness of their development processes, which the company Chaos Technology wasn't really happy with. After several name changes, they looked up random words in the dictionary until they found Blizzard. It wasn't taken, so what the heck? Maybe there's a metaphorical meaning behind it. Their first game as Blizzard was Warcraft, Orcs and Humans, a real-time strategy game. Then they acquired Condor Games, who made Diablo, a role-playing dungeon crawler.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Ready to serve. All right. Yes, my lord.
We are under attack.
After the success of Warcraft 2, they developed a futuristic sci-fi real-time strategy game called StarCraft. Afterwards came Diablo 2.
Greetings, stranger. I'm not surprised to see your kind here.
There are many foes here.
And Warcraft 3.
Justice has come.
Then came the big one, World of Warcraft. This was a massive, and when I mean massive, it was massive, multiplayer online game that took the world by storm. This made Blizzard so much money that they basically became a AAA company overnight.
That power will be your prison.
This world is a prison.
World of Warcraft also has held a total 8 expansions so far, including World of Warcraft Classic, which takes the game back to its roots. World of Warcraft essentially became a pioneer for MMOs for the rest of time. But why stop there? Then they came out with StarCraft 2, Diablo 3, Hearthstone, a collectible card game in the World of Warcraft universe, and Heroes of Storm, a
MOBA.
like League of Legends but with all the Blizzard characters all in one place. Blizzard has even made their own convention called BlizzCon for all fans of these games. Blizzard then released Overwatch, which changed the game for the hero shooter genre. This game, along with all the other games, had a Saturday morning cartoon feel to them that made it feel nostalgic and adventurous at the same time. All these games have a huge esports presence that bring in tons of millions of viewers.
Into the fight with Chips Hyan and the Valkyrie, and getting the quick res onto XQC. And soon back cap.
Although Blizzard has had some hiccups in their community, we can still hope that they have their eye on the ball. But in the meantime, make sure to look forward to games such as Overwatch 2, Diablo Immortal, and Diablo 4. And that's a wrap, boys and gals. History in 5 minutes. Make sure to follow. Job's done.